This small batch chocolate cake recipe can make 1 tall 4-inch cake, 1 short 6-inch cake, 7 cupcakes, 6 mini bundt cakes, or a tray bake cake. Let's see how easy it is to make. Start by creaming the butter and sugar together, which takes about 5 minutes at medium speed. The full recipe link is in the video description and on britishgirlbakes.com. Add an egg and you'll notice the mixture getting lighter in colour and runnier and smoother. And then the vanilla. I'm using a handheld mixer, which I prefer for small batch recipes because you can angle it to incorporate all of the ingredients, whereas a stand mixer tends to be more effective for bigger batches with larger quantities of ingredients. Now whisk together hot water with cocoa powder. The hot water will help the cocoa powder dissolve easily, but you'll need to let it cool before adding it to the butter, so you don't melt it. In another bowl, whisk together all-purpose or plain flour with baking powder and baking soda. Add the cocoa powder mixture to the butter mixture first. Mix it in and use a spatula to scrape around the bowl to make sure there isn't any butter stuck to the bottom or the sides of the bowl. Then add the flour and mix that in. Don't overmix the batter. As soon as you don't see any white flour in the batter, stop mixing. Now, just transfer the batter into whatever pan or mould or dish you want to bake. You can turn this into a 2-layer 6-inch cake, or for a tiny 4-inch cake, you'll have enough batter for 3 layers to make a really tall cake. Or you could make 2 shorter 4-inch cakes instead. If you want to make cupcakes, this recipe is enough for 7 cupcakes, or you can make elegant mini bundt cakes and you'll have enough batter for 6. I like to pipe the batter for mini bundt cakes to divide the batter evenly and neatly between the moulds or cavities without getting batter all over the pan. For a super easy cake that you can bake, frost and decorate in the pan, make a tray bake cake using a 9x6-inch casserole or baking dish. The baking temperatures and times vary for these. Bake 6-inch cake layers at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes, or 4-inch layers at 350 for 21 minutes. Cupcakes take 14 minutes at 375 degrees, and mini bundt cakes also bake at 375 degrees, but they take 19 minutes. And a tray bake takes 29 minutes at 350 degrees. Of course, there are so many ways to frost and decorate all of these. I love my 4-minute buttercream for filling cakes, and also for frosting cakes, both super smooth and textured, and for piping swells on cupcakes, and piping gorgeous textures on tray bake cakes. Chocolate ganache is delicious drizzled over mini bundt cakes. This small batch chocolate cake recipe is not only versatile, it's also absolutely delicious. It's rich and moist and super chocolatey, but not too sweet. I can't wait for you to taste it. Find this and all of my other recipes and tutorials on britishgirlbakes.com, as well as my online cake school, where you'll learn hundreds of cake decorating techniques and designs. Thanks for watching.